Hi, my name's Kevin. I'm the marketing director for Fuse LED, and today I'm going to show you our Fuse LED Flex ribbon. This ribbon comes with 4 Easy Connect connectors with 24-inch leads, and on each ribbon there's a 24-inch lead soldered on directly. Today what we're going to do is demonstrate a simple under cabinet light. First I want to determine where I want to put it, and I want to determine the length. I now determine my length, and I'm going to cut it at the cut mark. From here I'm going to simply peel off the adhesive and stick it into place. This install took me about 30 seconds. Now I'm going to light it up. Now I'm going to simply connect my Fuse LED power supply to my ribbon and light.